Embark on thrilling escapades with survival gadgets for men. These compact marvels deliver a powerful impact, turning everyday guys into adventure enthusiasts. From nifty tools to rugged essentials, these gizmos make survival a breeze. Get ready for a dose of excitement as we explore the playful side of practicality in every man's survival toolkit. Hey amazing viewers, welcome back to our channel. I am thrilled to have you here. Today, we got some must-have survival gadgets every guy needs. Now, let us jump right into the adventure. Automatic folding fish trap. Say goodbye to old-school fishing with the amazing automatic folding fish trap. It is like fishing magic mixed with super smart design. Tough materials make it sturdy, and when you toss it in the water, it unfolds all on its own, no sweat. Easy for beginners and pros, thanks to its smart setup. The special mesh keeps water flowing and fish where they belong, inside. Plus, it has got secret fish sensing powers with cool sensors. When it catches fish, it folds up by itself. No need to watch it like a hawk. It works great in any water spot, making fishing super eco-friendly and easy. Go Find Me. Meet Go Find Me, your adventure buddy. This nifty gadget is like a high-tech treasure map in the palm of your hand. Imagine a world where you never lose stuff again. That is Go Find Me. It is a tiny wizard that syncs with your phone and magically helps you locate your keys, wallet, or even your forgetful friend. Just open the app and Go Find Me will guide you with cheerful beeps until you are reunited with your stuff. It is the hero you didn't know you needed, making everyday adventures more fun and less "where did I put that?" Get ready to turn your forgetful moments into a laugh with Go Find Me. Quick Cord. Say hello to Quick Cord, your new superhero into cord chaos battle. This magical cord organizer is here to rescue you from the twisted tangled nightmare. Just snap, wrap, and roll. It turns cord chaos into cord calm in a flash. No more wrestling with charger mayhem or headphone havoc. Quick Cord keeps everything neat and ready for action. Its vibrant colors and playful design make organizing cords feel like a fun game. No more searching for the right cable. Quick Cord has got your back. Say goodbye to cord confusion and hello to the superhero of order, Quick Cord. Nomad Cape. Introducing Nomad Cape, your passport to adventure. This clever cape is like a superhero cloak for explorers. It is not just any cape, it is your instant shelter, picnic blanket, and cozy hideaway rolled into one. Packed with pocket power, it magically unfolds to save the day whenever wanderlust strikes. Whether you are conquering mountains or just having a backyard picnic, Nomad Cape's got your back. With its bold colors and adventure-ready style, it is more than just a cape, it is a statement. So, gear up, throw on your Nomad Cape, let the adventures begin. Because every explorer needs a trusty cape by their side. BRS-99 Camping Stove. Meet the BRS-99 Camping Stove, your culinary sidekick for outdoor awesomeness. This compact powerhouse is like a mini chef that fits in your backpack. It unfolds with superhero speed, ready to turn any camping trip into a feast. With its flame-taming magic, you can cook up a storm into wild, from sizzling bacon to marshmallow masterpieces. Just twist, click, and let the adventure cooking begin. The BRS-99 is not just a stove, it is your ticket to hot meals under the open sky. Lightweight, easy to use, and super cool. It is the camping buddy you never knew you needed. Hey incredible viewers, if you're enjoying the content so far, don't forget to hit that subscribe button below. Subscribing not only keeps you updated on all our latest videos, but also helps support the channel. Join our community and let us continue this awesome journey together. Now, back to the video. You won't want to miss what is coming up next. Air Saber Elite X2. Get ready to unleash fun with the Air Saber Elite X2, the coolest thing since sliced bread, but way more exciting. This futuristic blaster takes playtime to the next level, turning ordinary days into epic adventures. Powered by air, it launches arrows with superhero speed, transforming your backyard into a fantasy realm. With its sleek design and easy-to-use magic, you become the archer extraordinaire in no time. Whether you are a backyard warrior or a family hero, The Airsaver Elite X2 adds a burst of joy to playtime. Get ready to aim, shoot, and conquer the imaginary universe with this ultimate arrow launching sensation. Omniblade. Say hello to Omniblade, the ultimate slicer dicer extraordinaire for kitchen heroes. This kitchen wizard isn't just a knife, it is a culinary superhero in disguise. With its razor-sharp precision and sleek design, it transforms chopping and slicing into a fun kitchen dance. Omniblade effortlessly tackles veggies, fruits, and more, making you feel like a kitchen maestro. Its ergonomic handle ensures a comfortable grip, and the dazzling colors add a splash of joy to your kitchen adventures. Say goodbye to kitchen struggles and hello to the Omniblade, where every chop is a triumph and every slice is a kitchen victory. Anti-Spur. Meet Anti-Spur, your friendly bug buster. This mint-sized powerhouse is like a superhero for your space, making sure pesky bugs don't camp your style. With its clever design and zappy powers, Anti-Spur turns bug warfare into child's play. Just plug it in and watch it create a bug-free zone with its magic force field. Bye-bye mosquitoes and creepy crawlies. It is so easy, even a houseplant could use it. Plus, Anti-Spur adds a cool glow to your room, making bug banishing an illuminating experience. Say farewell to the buzz and bites. Anti-Spur is here to make your space bug-free and full of fun. 12-volt battery storage. Enter the 12-volt battery storage, the superhero of battery organization. This compact wonder is like a fortress for your power pals. Say goodbye to the jumbled drawer of doom. 12-volt keeps your batteries in check with style. Its sleek design and rainbow colors turn demanding into a battery party. Pop in your 2A, 3A, or even those quirky button batteries. 12-volt has space for all. No more scavenger hands for the right battery. Just flip, click, and power up. It is the ultimate sidekick for a world free of battery chaos, ensuring you are always charged up and ready for action. Venom Gator V2. Get ready to step into adventure with the Venom Gator V2, the coolest thing to wrap around your ankles. These gators are like superhero shields for your legs, keeping dirt, rocks, and pesky critters at bay. Slip them on, and you are ready to conquer any trail or terrain with a swagger. Crafted for comfort and durability, the Venom Gator V2 adds a touch of style to your outdoor escapades. Whether you are hiking, biking, or just exploring, these gators are your trusty sidekicks, making every step a breeze. Embrace the outdoors in style with the Venom Gator V2. Adventure awaits. Thank you so much for joining us on this adventure today. If you enjoyed the content, give us a thumbs up and ring the notification bell to stay in the loop. Your support means the world to us. If you have any thoughts, drop them in the comments. We love hearing from you. Until next time, stay awesome and catch you in the next video. Bye for now.